Kenmore Stackable Washer Dryer Troubleshooting dryer problems. Experiencing dryer problems with your Kenmore Stackable Washer Dryer can be frustrating. Knowing how to troubleshoot common issues can save you time and money. Below, we cover the most common dryer problems and the solutions. No more heat. If your dryer is not heating, it can be due to several reasons. First, check if the dryer is getting enough power. Ensure the circuit breaker is not tripped. Next, inspect the thermal fuse. A blown fuse can prevent the dryer from heating. Replace it if necessary. Here are the other components to check. Heating element. The heating element may be faulty. Test it with a multimeter. Thermostat. A defective thermostat can also cause no more heat. Replace it if it fails the continuity test. Timer. The timer might be malfunctioning. If it doesn't advance, consider replacing it. Overheating. Overheating can cause your dryer to stop working. It can also be a fire hazard. Start by cleaning the lint filter. A clogged filter can restrict airflow and cause overheating. Also, check the vent hose for obstructions. Other possible causes include thermostat. A faulty thermostat can cause the dryer to overheat. Test and replace it if needed. Thermal fuse. The thermal fuse might blow due to overheating. Replace it to restore normal operation. Heating element. An overheating element can cause the dryer to overheat. Inspect and replace it if required. Doom not turning. If the doom is not turning, the dryer cannot dry close properly. First, check if the dryer is receiving power. Then, inspect the drive belt. A broken or loose belt can prevent the doom from turning. Other components to examine include motor. The motor might be faulty. If it makes a humming sound but doesn't turn, consider replacing it. Idler pulley. A worn-out idler pulley can cause the belt to slip. Inspect and replace it if needed. Doom rollers. Worn doom rollers can cause the doom to stop turning. Replace them to restore function. By understanding these common dryer problems, you can keep your Kenmore Stackable Washer Dryer running smoothly. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your appliance.